When it comes to doing business generally, there is always a motivation. And for every business venture, the main motivation is to make profit. So if it is a business and not a hobby or something you do, at your leisure, then you should be intent about making profit now. Motivation can be in diverse form. The main motivation that I'm going to be talking about today is being motivated by money. In fact, I'm not of the opinion that you shouldn't be motivated by money when you're starting out as an online entrepreneur. I even think that the best kind of motivation for an online entrepreneur is making profit. So if your thirst for making profit is strong enough to drive you into doing the right things that you need to do to make sure that you are a successful one on the online space, then let it be. Motivation, money is a motivation. Be motivated to be successful. I remain Dorothy Junoke. I'm a creative content writer, marketer, and serial entrepreneur. I specialize in helping you ace your writing skills and make money as an online entrepreneur on the online space. Connect with me for more inspiring and life transforming content. See you soon.